Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode has this cool mid right here, and basically what this is a wireless doorbell, and this is actually waterproof and dustproof as well, which is pretty awesome. And it's from this brand right here. If we turn to the back right here, they provide guys some of the specs that's on here as well. And for this doorbell that we have right here, it actually comes in two different colors. We got the black one, but they also have one available in white as well. But in terms of different specs that's on here, they mentioned how there's 52 different tones on here or different chimes. They definitely change like the tone or the chime on here to what we guys want. And they also mentioned how there's 5 different volume levels on here, so you can definitely increase the actual volume on here to make it louder or more quiet. And then in terms of the volume setting on here, they mentioned how it can actually go up to 115 dB in terms of the noise level on here when you guys actually use it. So it definitely has a good range when you guys set up from one room to another, so you can definitely hear the doorbell and everything. But first thing first, I'm actually opening up the product to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you can see that this is basically what's included inside. So first thing we see inside here is the actual receiver. So this is basically where the sound will come out from once someone clicks on the doorbell. And you see we do have an indicator light to show you guys when the product is going to be on or off. And you see on the side right here, we have a few buttons as well. So one of them is to increase the volume setting on here, and the other two buttons right here is to change the different tones on here. If we look at the back part right here, this is what it looks like right here. So this is basically where the music and audio will come out from, and you basically want to plug this into a wall outlet to generate power to activate it. So that is basically what the receiver looks like. Let me show you the next thing inside the box. Alright, next thing we can see inside is the actual transmitter itself. So basically want to click on this option right here to activate the doorbell option so people can hear you inside. And right here we have the indicator light to show you guys when the product is working or not. And if you see in the back part right here, this is basically the battery compartment right here. So if it's first time using the product, you definitely remove this little film right here before you guys use it. And if you guys need to replace the battery, you basically just open up this part right here. Let me show you guys how to do it. So basically want to take out the film first. Alright, so once you guys take out the film, you can start using it. But I want to open up this part right here to show you guys what it actually looks like first. So in order for me to actually show you guys how to replace the battery, we need to keep looking in the box first because there's some more stuff inside. Alright, so you see inside this package right here, they provide guys a bunch of mounted accessories. Right here is basically the tool we need to use to actually open up the battery compartment. And also in the very bottom, if you can see, they provide guys another mounting accessory right here. So you definitely take this onto the actual doorbell option. And right here, we do have the user manual to teach you guys how to set the product and how to use it. And that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now let me take out the accessory and show you guys how to actually take out the battery option. Alright, so here's the accessory I'm going to use. So basically I want to put this part in the bottom part right here and just stick it in and pry it open. Once you guys pry it open, you guys can take it out. Alright, so you see that this is basically what the inside looks like. You can basically take out this part right here if you guys need to replace the battery. So you basically just want to push it out like this. Do it nice and slowly. Alright, so once you guys got it out, you guys can take it out. So just like that. And if you guys want to replace a new one, just slide it back inside. Push it all the way. Once you guys push it back in, then you guys are all set. So you can definitely see how it's actually really easy to actually replace the battery on here if you guys need to. And the last step is to clip this part back on. Just like that. And it's all set. So that is basically how you replace the battery option on here. Really simple and really easy. But that is basically everything that's on here. Now let me just plug it in and test it out and see how it works. Alright, so for this test right here, I'm going to use my Anchor power cube that we have right here because it makes it a lot easier for me to actually extend the cable on here. But basically first thing I want to do is plug it inside right here. And basically once you plug it in, a light pops on. So that is how you guys know when the product is activated and ready to use. So if you guys need to increase the volume on here, you basically just want to press on this button right here. But if you guys want to change the different tones on here, you guys want to press on this button right here. So in here, there's actually a lot of different tones on here. And if you guys want to increase or lower the volume on here, you can definitely do that as well. But you can see it definitely does work when we actually click on it. But basically, once you guys have the product all set up, you guys can press on this option right here to actually activate it. So if I press on it one time, let me show you guys how it works. Alright, so definitely see the product definitely does work when you guys click on it. It's actually really loud. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this wireless doorbell, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you got one or need one of these. Especially trying to look for a high quality doorbell that has like the waterproof and also dustproof resistant option on here. And also if you guys love all the different options on here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.